Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a LumiHeat heater honest review. As you can see, on the website, they have like instant heating in 5 minutes. Uh, that's very much, what can I say, a red flag because they're not stating the size of the room. Let's say someone has it in a living room versus someone who has it in a tiny bedroom. Obviously, there will be a difference, but they don't mention anything like that. And then if, as you can see, it says you can save up to 71% now, and that is like a crazy discount, right? And they put in, this looks like, yeah, this is an image. This is not even a real table, this is just an image. And yeah, this does seem a bit scammy. And if we head over to Trustpilot, as you can see, the review 84 and it's 1.3. That's really bad. 1 star, 97%. So YouTube is responsible for this scam. As you can see, I purchased 2 heaters at a cost of £61. I did not receive an invoice, but I had not received anything, unfortunately. Fake, fake, fake. Please apply some logic. This guy, he said that it's turns 5 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees. The springtime was a little cold, so I put one of those. This sounds AI generated, I'm not even gonna lie. First, it was 2 engineers who devised this amazing money saving device. Now it's a student at a London university. The website says they are sold out in shops, but no shop has ever stocked them, which is true. I've purchased 2, but they've taken 2 different payment for different amount, but only to get emails blocked. As you can see, scam product. I can go on and read 1,000, but the only thing is, don't go and buy one. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next